How's everyone? I hope everyone is doing swell. I'm doing an unboxing today. I had got this order of lampeye killifish. This species is the neon stripe killifish. These killifish are from Africa. That's where they originate from. And these are nano fish. So I'm trying something different for my aquarium. I'm doing like a species only tank. So here goes. Oh, these fish have come from AQUATICARTS.com if anyone is interested in them. And you can receive a 10% discount if you subscribe to their newsletter. Here goes. I bought 2 dozen of them. You guys can see them or not. These are very, very, very tiny. They're really not showing too well on camera, but once I get them acclimated and put them in an aquarium, I'll do a update video. Everyone has survived. I know they don't look like much right here in this bag, but with the lampeye killifish, their eyes glow, so they look very good in schools. Hopefully I'll be able to capture that on camera once I get them acclimated and put them in an aquarium. Another interesting fact about killifish is that in the wild, killifish, they come from areas where lots of times the water dries out, so they lay their eggs in the substrate. Here's the other bag. And once the rainy season dries up and the soil becomes dry, their eggs stay in the soil, and they can stay in the soil for months and months at a time, being dried up. As soon as it rains, the eggs hatch and the fish start their life cycle over again. They don't look like much right now, but once I get them acclimated, you'll be able to see their colors, if the camera will pick up on the colors. So these fish were a dozen for $53. So with both of these dozens, I spent like probably like $138, I believe, with shipping. They were shipped to me overnight. They shipped yesterday and got to me this morning at 10 a.m. my time, New York. So, once again, the company is AQUATICARTS.com. Excuse me. And they're a great company. Had no DOAs. Everything arrived alive and healthy. I'll just get these quarantined and put them in my aquarium, and I will be sending you guys another video as soon as that happens. I already have probably roughly about 25 to 30 right now. But the other ones that I have, they're called Norman's Emerald killifish. So they're very similar. You're probably going to be able to even tell the difference between both of them. So I'm now into species only aquariums and fish that's cool. So bye bye live bearers. And with the new, trying new things. Thanks for watching.